Hello everyone, welcome to Papercraft Mix. It's me, Brigitte, and today I have a few small Valentine projects for you that I made. And the first thing I'm going to show you is a cute little box. Maybe you will recognize the die that I used. It's one that I received from Beebeecraft. It came in a set with a large one and a small one that you can make yourself. And I had some papers in my stash from a few years ago. It's an older, simply vintage Valentine collection from Simple Stories. I still love it, of the colors and the cute little images. Look how sweet it is. It's so adorable and I really loved it. I kept it simple on the side and I decorated it in the same style on both of the sides with this faux wax seal. This one was made for me, I don't know by who anymore. It was a gift in one of my challenges that I did about 1.5 years ago, and I decorated it with some stickers from the collection that I used, My Valentine. I popped everything up, well, the sentiment and the wax seal, with 3D tape to give it some dimension, and on the other side is almost the same. You open it like here and then you have quite some space, as you can see, in this box. And I am not finished with it yet. I have an order coming in from Temu with beautiful tassels, small little tassels that I want to add to here. And I did also receive from Beebeecraft some beautiful Valentine dangles that I chose from them and that are in this box, and I also want to combine them with one of these dangles that I have here, because they matched the paper again also really well. So I will see when everything is here how I'm going to make the dangle, and then I will add that to the box as well for a little bit extra. I thought it already was cute through of the papers. It's just beautiful paper. Look how cute this little boy is. I really love it. So sweet. And then I also bought the die from KScraft. I showed it in a craft mix video, and that's the cup die set from KScraft that came out with Christmas. So it came with the candy cane with different dies to decorate it with in a style of Christmas. So with the gingerbread man, also with this candy lolly. I did cut off the holder, but I thought, well, this one can be used all year and as well for Valentine's Day. So I made a Valentine's Day version. I did make it a shaker. The papers that I used I once bought at AliExpress at I think at the Creative Pet store, but I'm not 100% sure, or at Alina Craft. Love it. It's paper with strawberries. Can you see it? Oh no, I remember, this is not from there. This is from a Dutch Doobadoo set. And I did make it shaker. You can see the nice little pieces I put in the shaker mix. So I get X's and O's. Of course some sequins. Cute little strawberries. Conversation hearts. I just love the mix that I did here. It shakes really well. I did do my layers of cardstock. I don't use foam. I don't like that. It's hard to glue together, and I think your shaker doesn't hold well on the long run. So yeah, I always do this with cardstock. And for the rest I decorated it with the candy cane and with the candy that comes in that set. I made small flowers with the die set from KScraft as well. I love it. Look how beautiful it is with the cute little gold center that I bought at the D-Stash. This flower was gifted to me as well in one of my challenges. And I added cute little fabric and felt hearts here and a bow from my stash. Here you can see this. This also comes the decoration of the cup. You also have it in small so that you can put it here, but I didn't want to do that because then it would cover up the shaker so much, and I really wanted to see the shaker mix in there. And then the word cutie, also from a die set from KScraft from last year. I thought it came out really cute, and I don't know, I don't have an idea already on which I'm going to use it, but I think it's such a cute one. Then I already showed you the flowers that I did, and that's also with a KScraft die. And yeah, I really love it. It's really simple to put together, and I made a few different versions. From one of them, look, the center comes off, so I have to re-glue it, as you can see. And I also did a color combination of different colors. Really love this set, and yeah, I have it here. It's this one. I left them together so I can pass it through my machine once, and then you already have a few flowers, as you can see. So yeah, and on the inside I put these gold hearts on every flower. I thought it came out so cute and elegant. So that are my flowers. Well, this one needs to be glued back, as you can see. And then the last thing that I made, and that's a layer tag. I only made a few small items, as you can see. Really busy with designing work for Carlijn Design. So yeah, in my stash I had this tag. It was in a shaker swap, a pink Christmas shaker swap with an embellishment on it. But it was just pink paper, and I thought I can use it as a base for this tag. And I did do a lot of layering, as you can see. I used some ephemera from the same collection from Simple Stories as that I used here on this box. So the vintage collection. And in the background I put a scalloped heart. It's, how do you call that? Yeah, it's not the normal heart, the heart shape, but the older ones, this thinner, smaller one. You have a word for it, but I'm lost for it now. And on top I decorated it with beautiful rosettes from my stash. This one had a little bit of tulle attached to it already. And yeah, I just put the sentiment Be Mine from the same set as the cutie from KScraft on top. I decorated it for the rest with this faux stamp that I made myself last year with the collection from Simple Stories. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. I have a little bit of a cold now. No? So yeah. Here is also an ephemera piece, always and forever, Be Mine, always and forever. Some blinks, and here are some die cuts from the collection with some chipboard sticker. And this heart I already had in my stash with this beautiful red feather. I added this trim that I bought at AliExpress, love it. And this I can attach to one of my Valentine gifts this year. It's super chunky. I like to make the things chunky. Really cute, and I thought it came out really sweet. Again, love the paper collection. I'm almost out of it, and yeah, I have to look for it, or I have to look if they have it digitally as well, because from Simple Stories there are a lot of collections available at AC Digitals. So yeah, these were the small projects that I wanted to show to you that I already did for Valentine. If I add the things to this one, I will show it to you in a separate video. I hope I can make some more Valentine projects in time. I am already working on some shaker vintage hotel keys, also a KScraft die. I made them for Christmas, I love them. So now I wanted to make a Valentine version as well. But again, I have to combine it with my work for Carlijn, so we will see how far I will get. Yeah, that was all that I have for you today. I hope you liked it. Please give me a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I'm really happy that you found me, and I love reading your comments, and I want to thank you for for supporting my channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them here in the comment section, or you can also send me a private email. My social media handles and private email will be in the description box below as well. I'm very curious what your favorite project of my Valentine things is, and yeah, I hope to see you back in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.